Do you have any idea what kind of income that business generates?
I would guess probably 3 to 5 million.
Are you paid a salary?
I am, yes, ma'am.
Okay, and what is that salary?
It's $90,000 a year.
Okay.
You don't know this information personally. This is just information that you're searching on the internet for.
And also my 14-year-old has told me as well.
All right, strap in everyone because this court hearing is about to completely blow your mind. We're talking about Mr. Birch, a guy who owns multiple businesses worth millions of dollars, and Miss Carpenter, his ex-wife, who divorced him some time ago for personal reasons. Now she's back, and let's be real, she's definitely not here to wish him well. From the looks of it, she's trying to pull even more money out of him, and honestly, it's giving serious gold digger vibes. But I'll let you be the judge now. As for the judge in this case, he's not entertaining any drama at all. He's got a strict no-nonsense attitude, and he's about to lay down the law in a way that'll have you questioning everything. This guy doesn't miss a single beat, and whatever he says, trust me, you're going to want to hear it. So what's really going on here? Is Miss Carpenter just chasing more money for no real reason, or is there something deeper happening? Drop your thoughts in the comments, because this hearing is about to get spicy. So let's jump right into it.
Okay, how old are your children?
They are 12 and 14.
Okay. And the current order in your case from 2017 has the child support set at $1,925. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. And Mr. Birch was also ordered to carry the health insurance for the children in that order?
Yes, which is what I asked, which that has been, I guess, resolved and not a part of this. That was my priority.
Now, yeah,
is,
we'll address that here in a second. How are the children currently covered for health insurance?
Under Joshua.
Okay. Through his employer?
He owns his own business.
Okay. Does he also have dental insurance for the children?
No, he does not.
Okay. Do you have dental insurance available for them?
I will. The dental insurance was just recently canceled on Joshua's end.
Okay. Do you have dental insurance available through your job?
Yes, I do. And
Okay.
healthcare.
How much is the dental insurance?
Oh goodness. I provided the information last time, but it's very minimal. Do you have our notes from last time? I didn't bring any of that with me.
The proposed order stated the dental insurance costs $30.33 per month. Is that correct?
That's probably correct.
Was that for just the two children?
No, that's for family.
Okay. How many people are included in that?
Just me and the two girls.
Okay, so three.
Yes.
Okay. Do you know if do you know where Mr. Birch works?
He works at East Texas Truck Center.
Okay. Do you know how much or how long has he done that?
I really don't know. I mean, it's been several years now that he's owned it. I would probably guess, if I was to guess, probably 5 to 7 years.
Okay. And you said that he owns that business?
Yes, he also owns other businesses as well. I'm not really fully aware of what all businesses that he does own.
Okay.
But I do know for a fact he does own East Texas Truck Center, and he does have a business in Nacogdoches and a business in Baytown.
Okay. Is the East Texas Truck Center, is that his main source of income?
Yes.
Okay. And you stated he's the owner of that business?
Yes, that's correct.
Do you have any idea what kind of income that business generates?
I would guess probably 3 to 5 million. I did submit, and I'm not sure if you received it yesterday. I did get online and look at the appraisal districts for his property values. Did you receive that?
I did receive it.
Okay. So as far as his property values, which like I said, I can't state as to far as his revenue because it is an LLC and the financial information is not available. But I will say, like as far as property owned in Baytown, per the appraisal district, it's 1.1 million. In Nacogdoches, he owns 5 properties, 3 of which were just acquired in December 15th, 2021.
Ms. Carpenter, stop.
Yes.
Ms. Simone, I need you to ask questions.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Sorry.
Okay, you stated that he owns other businesses. Do you know what the businesses are, or what the name of the businesses are?
I can, if you look at his LinkedIn accounts,
I don't have that available. Sorry.
Okay, I'm pulling it up right now. I'll look it up on my computer. It's a lot faster internet.
So, Ms. Carpenter, this information that you're about to give me is something that you're looking up from somewhere else?
The businesses owned is
No, that's
just
okay.
from
This
his
is my question.
LinkedIn account,
Ms.
president.
Carpenter, you don't know this information personally. This is just information that you're searching on the internet for.
And also my 14-year-old has told me as well.
So you're telling me this woman filed a motion to increase child support because her 14-year-old told her to? I mean, seriously, are we really letting teenagers run the court system now? What's next? Letting them decide who wins a custody battle based on who makes better TikToks? Come on, you've got to be joking. Let me know in the comments, are you buying this story, or does it sound just as ridiculous to you as it does to me? And here's where it gets even crazier. She's out here stalking his LinkedIn profile trying to figure out how much his private business is earning, all because a teenager suggested it. Like, girl, this isn't CSI Child Support Edition. Does she even understand how business works, or does she honestly think LinkedIn has all the answers? Be real, would you trust your 14-year-old to manage your finances? Exactly. And let's talk numbers for a second. $1,900 a month for 2 kids is not pocket change, so what exactly is she spending it on? Gold-plated Lunchables? Does she not want to work, or is she just trying to ride for free? I need to hear what you think. Drop your thoughts below. Is this reasonable, or is she just being straight up greedy? Let's dive into this mess and find out.
Okay, so you can't use that information.
Okay.
Move on, Miss Simone.
I'm going to go ahead and pass the witness.
Okay, yeah, let's see if you can find somebody that actually has direct knowledge of what it is that you're trying to do here.
Yes,
Go
sir.
ahead.
I will call Mr. Birch. Mr. Birch, would you state your full name for the court, please?
Joshua Paul Birch.
Okay. And you're the father of Aubrey and Adeline Birch?
That is correct.
Okay. And are you currently covering the children on your health insurance?
Yes, ma'am, I am.
Okay. And can you give me the cost of that?
$315.97 per month per child through Blue Cross Blue Shield.
Okay.
So $631.94.
All right. And where do you currently work?
East Texas Truck Center.
Okay. And are you the owner of that business?
I'm a minority owner in that business.
Okay. Are you paid a salary?
I am, yes, ma'am.
Okay. And what is that salary?
It's $90,000 a year.
Okay. Do you own any other businesses besides the East Texas Trucking Center?
So I'm a minority owner in East Texas Truck Center, Inc.,
Okay.
which is not a LLC, and I'm a minority owner in East Texas Truck Center, Baytown, LLC. I'm a minority owner in Keystone Financial, LLC, and I'm a majority owner in Cornerstone, LLC.
Do you receive any other type of revenue from East Texas Truck Center besides your salary?
No, ma'am. Unless there's a dividend given, but we haven't given dividends.
Okay. Do you make any income from the Keystone Financial?
No, ma'am. There's no salaries or dividends given from that either. It's a startup company.
And do you make any income from Cornerstone Financial?
No, ma'am. Same thing. It was also established last year.
Okay. And you said Keystone, when was that established?
Keystone was actually established in 2000. I thought you said Keystone the first time. My apologies.
Yeah, I did. I'm sorry.
Keystone was established in 2018.
Okay.
I'm a minority there as well.
And you have not received any income from Keystone to this date?
No, ma'am.
This judge is about to bring the hammer down, folks, but the real question is, will it land on Mr. Birch, or is he about to shut down Miss Carpenter's request to increase child support? The tension is thick and you can practically feel the drama building. Now let me tell you, the judge's expression says everything. That big confident smile, yeah, you already know he's about to deliver a ruling that's going to have everyone talking. Is it just me, or does he look like he's ready to dish out some courtroom justice with a side of sass? So what do you think? Will he side with Mr. Birch and call out Miss Carpenter's money grab, or is he about to shock us all? Drop your predictions in the comments because things are about to get really interesting. Let's hear what he has to say.
Okay. Your motion's denied. Mr. Birch, Ms. Carpenter, I've just denied the state's motion to adjust the child support in this case. They have to put on evidence to show me that there's some kind of change in income, and I heard nothing that leads me to believe that there's been a change. So the state not meeting its burden is therefore the motion is denied. If any party is satisfied, no, that's okay. I don't need to hear anything. If
I'm not understanding what's denied, sir. The new order or the old order?
I'm denying the state's. There's no new order, Mr. Birch.
Yes, sir.
You and Ms. Carpenter and the state were not able to come to an agreement, and so
Yes, sir.
a lawsuit was filed before me to see if the child support needs to be adjusted. The laws in this state are very simple. The state or whoever it is that's moving, asking me to adjust the child support, has to prove what your old income was, where it came from, and the circumstances behind it, and then compare it to the new information that you have. And I find that the state has completely and utterly failed to do that. They haven't proven anything to me. They've thrown out some stuff, but nothing with any concrete or significant basis. And therefore, I'm denying the motion because they haven't met their burden of proof. They haven't proven to me that there's been any kind of a change. So any party has the right to appeal my decision. Your appeal must be filed with the Orange County District Clerk's Office. It has to be filed in the next 3 business days. And you have to make sure that you specify in your appeal what part of my ruling you disagree with. And you're also responsible for making sure that a copy of that written appeal is sent. Let me finish, Mr. Birch. And you're also responsible for sending a copy of that written appeal to all the other non-appealing parties. All right. Now, Mr. Birch, what were you going to say?
If her medical is obviously cheaper than what I'm providing at $631 per kid, and she's at $291 per kid, is there a way that instead of me paying Blue Cross Blue Shield the $631, that I could pay her the $291 for the medical?
If y'all can sit down with the AG's office and come up with another agreement, you have my permission to do so, but I'm denying this motion. So you'll have to start over in regards to that issue, okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Anything else? And that's a very good question, Mr. Birch, and I hope that you and Ms. Carpenter are able to sit down and get that hammered out to make sure that we've got good medical insurance and good for the both of you. So it's good for you financially as well as from your situation that you're in regard to the 2 children, okay?
Yeah.
Ms. Carpenter, do you have any questions?
No, I mean, the priority was the medical.
All right.
I mean, that was my major point.
All right.
Wow, that was seriously satisfying to watch. Seeing the judge shut down this gold digger's obvious attempt to grab this man's hard-earned money was absolutely priceless. You could tell the judge was more than happy to deliver the decision. He saw straight through her nonsense and didn't hesitate to call it exactly what it was, a simple money grab. And let's talk about child support for a moment, because the system feels completely broken when it comes to men. It seems like men are always getting the short end of the stick. They work hard, build something for themselves, and then suddenly someone shows up trying to take it away. Why do some women think they're automatically entitled to a man's money just because they share kids? It's crazy. And don't even get me started on how child support is sometimes used as a weapon instead of actually being spent on the children. So what do you think? Is the system fair, or are men just getting totally shafted? Here, thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more. I really want to hear your thoughts on this whole situation, so drop a comment below and let's talk about it. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.